Hi, I'm Skyuki and welcome to my review and unboxing of TRN-V80. Let's get on with the unboxing. This is the front of the box, the side, another side, the back, the bottom, and the top. Oh, come on! There we go. And we see a pair of earphones right away. And a cable. Some spare ear tips. Okay. There are two sizes, one small and one large. Then we have the QC pass. It means it has passed quality check. Here we have a manual in Chinese. I'm sorry, I cannot read Chinese. And here we got the earpiece. This is the right side of the earphone. TRN logo looks stylish. There's the 2-pin connector. It is made from metal, very solid, and it feels premium. Clap! The chip came off. This is the left side of the earphone. It got all the exact same high quality premium feel to it, which is nice. Let us see what is left inside. Warranty card. I don't really care about this, so let's put it back. Small ear tip, big ear tip, and a cable, and that is all. Now let's tie the earphone out. Easy and comfortable to wear. Vivid clear vocal, high level of quality and details. Beefy and impactful bass.
only $26.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer. Every night, I can feel my leg and my arm, even my fingers. The body I have lost, the comrade I have lost, won't stop hurting. It's like they are all still there. You feel it too, don't you? Why are we still here? Just to suffer. Every night, I can feel my leg and my arm, even my fingers. The body I have lost, the comrade I have lost, won't stop hurting. It's like they are all still there. You feel it too, don't you? Hey, before I end this video, I want to thank to AudioBudget.com. AudioBudget.com is a budget earphone review website created by Igor Iceberg. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Anyway, without AudioBudget.com, this video wouldn't have happened because I buy my earphone based on his review. So be sure to check them out. AudioBudget.com. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. And if you want to see more from me, smash that subscribe button. That is all for today, and I will see you next time.